Hello everyone and good morning. My name is Joy, the Ignacio part of the Ignacio-Phu family. Today I wanted to show you my new and improved office space. So come on in and let's give you a tour. So my entire office space consists of three very distinct areas that serve a very particular function. But right now you are looking at my creative space where I like to read. I like to do a little bit of coloring in my coloring book and meditating. And if you come closer, you'll see that I have a whole bunch of books that I've read. Some are in progress of being finished. But we have a whole bunch of books up here that are not in any particular order. There are days when I do like to pull out a book and find a little tab that really stuck out to me from the past. And it gives me a little good reminder of how to take care of myself. So these are all of the books that I have. And Victor and I have a tradition to do vision boards every year during New Year's. So I have my vision board up here to remind me of what my goals are for this upcoming year. And most of the time my goals don't really change. It's more of a reminder of how to take care of myself and how to take care of my fur babies. There's two here in the room where we have Max chilling on the chair. And this part of the room is technically not mine. This is Willow's windowsill. So this is her part of my office. Can you say hi, Willow? No? Okay. Some crystals that were gifted to me. I struggled with anxiety a lot the past couple of years, and I've had some family members and friends gift me some crystals because supposedly crystals really help with your energy. And I honestly just like looking at them. They're all really, really pretty. So we have some like amethyst, which is my favorite, and it's my birthstone. And we have another collection right here that is displayed on a pyramid case that I got from Amazon. This desk is from IKEA. I forgot what this top part was called, but I think these are like the Alex drawers. So as you can see, we have two Alex drawers on each side. This one contains all of my like coloring, creative supplies. And then this one houses all of my journals. So I won't open it because it's really cluttered right now, but maybe in another video. Here we have my backpacks that I like to wear out most of the time. So this one was gifted to me from my sister-in-law, and this one I bought during grad school that has a lot of cool compartments in it. Okay. I mean, it doesn't look too bulky either. Like, I had a North Face before, and the North Face just kind of felt like a turtle shell on my back because it was like so heavy and padded, but this one isn't. It's super lightweight. Oh my gosh, everything I need is inside here. And it's like not even that heavy. Actually, it's not heavy at all in comparison to the North Face. Oh my gosh! In it, if you are carrying like a laptop, an iPad, or like other things. So this is really great for like traveling. And fun fact is that Victor also 3D printed these hooks for me and installed them for me yesterday to hang out on the wall. So we didn't have to go out and buy any hooks. We just made it here at home, which is really cool. And on this side of my office space is where I spend most of my time because this is my 9 to 5 workspace area. So on my right hand side here, we just installed this whiteboard yesterday to help me ideate some solutions for a lot of the calculations I do for data dashboarding. So this is why I put this here next to my desk. And this is my 9 to 5 desk where I'm mostly sitting, standing, or walking at during meetings. So I really love this standing desk because it helps keep me active and less sedentary throughout the day. And then on the top here, we have my bachelor's degree and my master's in social welfare degree that I intentionally put up here to remind myself of all the accomplishments that I've made so far and to also remind me to work hard and smart so that I could pay off my student loans. So that's why that's there. So on my actual desk area, I have this, what is this called? Computer mat? Mm-hmm. A computer mat to help with my mouse to move and also just feels good. And I chose this, like, I think it's called Bohemian style because I really liked the greenery, like pops of green in my space. I feel that in a lot of like corporate workspaces, it's very gray, dark, and gloomy. And I wanted my workspace to be very vibrant and fun. So this was a way to like help make my office space a little bit more fun. And this is a keyboard that I had built with Victor. Victor is in his building custom keyboard era, and I only built one keyboard, but very similar to the vibe of like vibrant, green, just to remind me of nature in a very corporate-y space. So that's why I built it like this. And I have a focus timer here in the middle of my riser. So during work, especially with data dashboarding, you could really get sucked into solving like one particular thing for a really long time. So in order to improve my efficiency and my productivity, I'm trying to time block my tasks. So I just move the timer, start it, and then hopefully I get it done in that time frame. And if not, it's okay, give yourself grace. So there's that, and then we have my riser here where I have my pens and my post-it notes if I need to like take any scratch notes. This is the remote to my under the desk treadmill. This broke off though because Willow loves to bother me during work and she bit this apart, so. Not mad about it, it still works, but I have to train her to not come on here as often. And then I have my notebooks here for more scratch notes, and this is where I write all of my to-dos for the day. And this area over here is not complete yet, it's definitely a work in progress, but just to show you how it looks so far, up here we have my yoga mat rack. I've been into yoga the past 6 months or so, so I really wanted to keep up with doing yoga to help with my flexibility. And Victor also 3D printed these hooks on his 3D printer. So again, we saved money, we didn't have to buy any hooks, he just 3D printed it. And down here we have this shelf that is meant to hold all of my dumbbell weights that are currently in transit right now. So I have a 5-pound pair, 8-pound pair, and a 10-pound pair. So this is supposed to help with my traditional weightlifting. Another fun fact is that Victor actually cut this wood for me.
You cut it.
To size. Oh, I cut it.
I just need some space. I just need some space. Space. I just need some.
Then Victor installed it for me. So this was also homemade, which is super, super cool. This is my walking treadmill. I like the treadmill a lot because one, it really helps me keep focused during meetings, especially if I have 1 to 2 hour meetings where I need to fidget with something. I notice that fidget toys typically don't work for me, but when I'm actively moving my body, it actually helps me pay attention in Zoom meetings more and really helps lessen the Zoom fatigue. And second of all, I really like how it keeps me walking every day. I have a goal to walk at least 1 mile per day, and sometimes I don't meet that goal from walking the dogs. So this really helps me like keep my cardio health up too, or keep my cardio health goals up. And the last item that we are currently waiting on that's also currently in transit is my full-size mirror here that's supposed to occupy this half of the wall. So I really wanted to get a mirror so that I can pay attention to my form, especially when I weightlift. Recently, I've been weightlifting without a mirror and I've been getting really bad neck aches and like back pains. And I know that it's my form because I'm not paying attention to it. So I got a mirror so that I can really weightlift in a way that doesn't injure myself either. So maybe I can show you all what this looks like when everything is shipped in. But for now, this is how it looks. Thank you all so much for coming along with my home office tour. I really hope you enjoyed it. And hopefully this inspires you to set up your home office system in a way that works for you, whether that be at home or maybe even in the workplace. So feel free to like and subscribe if you like what you see, and until then, we'll see you next time. Bye!